Good morning, children. Welcome to online classes of St.JOSEPH'S Academy. I'm Akanksha, your model science teacher. Today, we will do the exercises of lesson 4, that is, food habits. So, let's start. Our first question is, let us remember. Children, you have to learn these and you have to note down in your notebook also. So here are some sayings of some famous personality. Once John Hubbard says that the path to obesity is so tasty. The path to obesity is so tasty. 70 says hunger is the best sauce in the world. While explaining the chapter, I told you that once Gandhiji said, there are many people in the world so hungry that God cannot appear to them except in the form of bread. So children, all these things are about not to waste food. Eat the food, take the food as that much only that you need. Don't waste the food, don't do overeating. Whenever you leave the food in your plate, just think about the children who slept hungry. Those are not having food to eat. Those are not having much food to eat. So don't waste the food. Never ever. Now the next question is, answer the following questions. Here are some questions are given to you and you have to give the answer according to the chapter. So the question is, why was Sonu selected as the best camper? What are the good qualities in the Sonu so that he was selected as the best camper? So the answer is, Sonu selected as the best camper because of his gentle behavior, teamwork and good food habits. He was gentle, he has teamwork and also he is having the good food habit. That's why only he was selected as the best camper. So now our next question is, write any 3 healthy food habits. You have to write at least three healthy food habits. So the first one is, sit straight. Whenever you are eating, whenever you are on your dining table, you always have to sit straight while taking your food, while eating your food. Next is, don't make noise when you chew food. Don't make noise. When you chew food, don't make noise. It shows very dirty. Third is, don't take too much of your favorite food. So children, why you have not to take so much of your favorite food? Because you need all type of nutrients for the growth of your body. If you eat only your favorite food, you will not get sufficient nutrients and you will become weak. Your growth is not be proper. You will not be healthy children and you become weak. So don't eat only your favorite food. You have to eat a balanced diet. Okay, so the next is, write true or false. Here some sentences are given to you and you have to give the answer according to your lesson. Vishal was selected as the best camper. It was Vishal or Sonu? It was Sonu who was selected as the best camper. So Vishal was not. So this is false. Vishal was selected as the best camper. This is false. Next is, we should not spill our food while eating. That is true. Even while eating and also while you are taking food to your plate, that also be careful, don't spill food anywhere. Next is we must treat food with utmost respect. That is also true. You have to give respect to the food because you are very, very, very lucky person that you are getting food to eat. Always remember those children who do not get enough food to eat. So never waste any food item. Always respect the food utmost. Next is we should not sit straight while eating. So how we have to sit if we will not sit straight? Should we lay down while eating the food? No, we have to sit straight while eating. So this is false. Next is fruits and vegetables keeps you healthy. That's very true. So you have to note down these true and false in your notebook. Next we are having fill in the blanks. So first is it was the dash day of the summer camp for the students of class 4th. So children, it was the last day. The story is about the last day of the summer camp. So here in the first blank, what comes? Last. It was the last day of the summer camp for the students of class 4th. Next is never make noise while chewing food. Don't make noise. Never make dash while chewing food. That is never make noise while chewing food. Third is we should never dash food item. So we should never waste food items. We should never waste food items. I told you many times why should we not waste food items. Next is we need all kinds of food for our proper dash. And that dash is growth. We need all kinds of food for our proper growth. And the last fill up is fruits, vegetables, cereals, milk and egg together make a balanced diet. When you eat all these things together, it will make a balanced diet and which is very much needed for your good health. So children, that's all for chapter 4. You have to complete your work. You have to complete your work in your notebook and you have to learn them also. Thank you so much.